I prostrate to the liberator, mother of all the victorious one. The Tara mantra is Om Thare Tutare Ture Soha, means liberating from samsara. Tare shows that Mother Tara liberates living beings from samsara. From true suffering or problems, Tutare liberates you from the fears. The third word, Ture, liberates you from disease. Soha means establishing the root of the path. Definition: what does Om Tare Ture Tutare Soha means? It's an ancient mantra used in Tibetan Buddhism as a way of honoring Tara, the protector or mother of all Buddhas. This mantra can be used as a main mantra to salute all 21 major forms of Tara, but it is particularly associated with Tara in her green Tara form, which is connected with enlightenment and abundance. Om Tare Tutare Ture Soha is one of the most significant and most commonly chanted mantra in Tibetan Buddhism, and is used to attack health, compassion, strength, and healing. Om Thare Ture Tutare Soha can be translated as I prostrate to Tara, the liberator, mothers of all the victorious ones.